Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this post by AI drivers on X. So, as you're aware, the latest software updates was going to the hardware 4, also known as the AI4. And right now, this is good news because according to AI driver, the FSD 12.6 is rolling out to hardware 3 with end-to-end on highway and speed profiles and city streets and redesigned controller. And looks like right now they're gonna go to the Model S and X first, and then afterwards give it about maybe a couple of weeks, and then it'll be going to the Model 3 and Model Y. But this is what included in the 12.6 version. So it includes end-to-end on highway, improved city streets behavior, which reduces faults, slowdowns, and improve obstacle avoidance, customizable speed profiles, which applies to roads and highways with 50 miles per hour or higher speed limits, early and more natural lane change decisions, redesigned controller for smoother, more accurate tracking, max speed updates. So according here, which this is good news because the majority of us out there that are still on the hardware 3, unless you have a newer vehicle, probably in 2024, and then that's the hardware 4. But that's good news for us. Right, so let's move over to Tesla, see if they have any more greater discount, because today is the last day that you can pick up and get a lot of discount, right? So I just pop onto the inventory for the Cybertruck, because I think they used to have 8 and now they only have 6 total. So even with the free supercharging, it didn't really push much, right? I was hoping, or I was expecting, that all these vehicles should be gone by now. But apparently the free supercharging is not enticing enough to get rid of all this inventory for the Cybertrucks. So let's see, what if we look at the Model 3? All of this here are like what, demos vehicles, and it's been reduced price, all of this right here, so which is pretty good. This only has 755 miles on it, and we can click on it to see what kind of reduced price we're getting. So the price adjustment for this is $850, so that doesn't seem much, right? But for a long range, the refresh model, 34,000, about $524 a month. Not bad. And let's see, some of us might be interested in the performance, so let's see what's the cheapest on the performance that we can get. So like this one right here, the two looks like pretty much the same, and it's like only what, like $300 something more, but the mileage is pretty less, 650, 675, and they both, let's see, this one price adjustment is like $2,520, color white, we already know that, and eligible for $7,500 on business tax credit only. So if you do have a business, then you can apply for that, take it off. But pretty nice car. I think Tesla Model 3, I think I read an article where like something it's the best money you can get, because it's comparable to the new Corvettes. So if you're in the market for Tesla Model 3 performance, they have a lot. So they still haven't pushed more incentive, like maybe hoping they could do like what, like at least 10,000 supercharging miles free for the Model 3 and Model Y. Then maybe you can get rid of some of this. Sorry about that, the internet somehow kind of slow. Again, guys, so if you're looking for a Tesla and you're on the last minute decisions, you can also, these are the prices, but you can also use my referral code for up to $2,000 depending on the vehicle that you choose. And most likely Tesla right now, they want to push out today's the last day, so if you you can hop on board. You might be able to pick one up today. Alright, so since the internet is not loading, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care, be safe. Till next time, and Happy New Year.